Hello and welcome to QuickTipsTo. Today I'm going to unbox, set up and review the YHE BP Doctor Pro Blood Pressure Smartwatch. Hopefully my video will give you the information you need about this product. Inside the box you have the BP Doctor Smartwatch, the charging dock, the charging cable, the wrist diameter tape, the instruction manual and the quick guide. Now let's have a look at the watch. As you can see, it has a nice design. It has a large screen, making it easy to use. On the side, you have the power button and the home button. On the back, you have the charging slot and the PPG. Unlike other smartwatches in the market, it uses an inflatable air cuff that inflates when taking blood pressure measurements to ensure the accuracy of the reading. To charge the watch, simply connect it to the charging dock. Then connect the charger cable to the charging dock on one end and the other end to a charger. The battery lasts approximately 3 to 4 days based on average usage. Now let's power it on, so press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. Now to set up the watch, I will need to download and install the BP Doctor Pro app on my phone. So on your Android phone, open Play Store. Type BP Doctor Plus in the search box, then tap Install. It will take a few seconds for the app to be installed. Once installed, open the app. Agree to the user agreement and privacy policy, log in or register to an account if you don't have one. I already have an account, so I will just log in. Now tap on Add Devices and select BP Doctor Pro. Tap I know. Allow the app to access your device's location. Allow the app to find and connect to nearby devices. The watch will be discovered. Tap on it to start pairing. Allow the app to send you notifications. All done. Setup is complete. Now let's go back to the watch and explore its features. As you can see, the time on the watch has now synced with the time on my phone. From the home screen, you can swipe up, down, left or right. Let's swipe right. Here you can see your distance, calories burnt and step count completed during the day. Now from the home screen, let's swipe up. Messages will allow you to receive notifications from your phone and social media apps onto your watch. You will need to enable this feature on the app. Now let's swipe down. Here you can enable or disable Bluetooth, enable or disable vibration. Now tap on Settings. Here you can change the display settings and set alerts, such as the apnea alert and the move it alert. Now from the home screen, let's swipe left. Here you can measure your blood pressure, heart rate, and oxygen level. Now to accurately measure your blood pressure, first you need to wear the wrist diameter tape to identify your suitable buckle number. Keep a 2-finger distance from the bottom of your palm when measuring. Tighten the tape. As you can see, my suitable buckle for blood pressure testing mode is number 3. I've now put on the watch, tightened the straps to buckle number 3 while still keeping a 2-finger distance from the bottom of my palm. Next, you will need to use one of 2 postures when measuring. Watch the video that will appear on the card above to learn about the different postures. The posture I've chosen is by putting my hands on the watch box, wrists at heart level and elbows supported by the desk, feet flat on the floor and relaxed. Now to start measuring, the quickest way is to press and hold the home button. The cuff will start inflating and the measuring will start. As you can see, I've successfully measured my blood pressure. Finally, whilst on the home screen, press the Home button. Here you have additional features such as workout. You have 3 activities you can choose from: outdoor walking, indoor running, or outdoor running. To start an activity, select one from the list and tap on it. The countdown will begin and the activity will start. You can now monitor the distance, pace, and heart rate. To stop the activity, swipe left and stop. You also have additional features such as setting alarms, sleep statistics, and weather information. Overall, this is a very useful smartwatch for blood pressure monitoring and workouts. As opposed to other smartwatches in the market currently, the inflatable aircuff on this watch enhances the accuracy of measurements. There are also many other features on the watch and on the app. For example, on the app you can see your stats, enable message notifications, and change the dial, among other features. It's important to note that you should always consult your doctor for any medical advice and never rely 100% on technology. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. With QuickTipsTo, knowledge has no limits.